Hey Pectus Warriors, it's Riley Byrne from FixPectus.com. In today's video, I want to talk about how you can immediately make your pectus look better, literally instantly. And I'm going to show you the example right now, okay? And it all comes down to the way you hold yourself and your posture, okay? And so typically with pectus, we're insecure, we're lacking confidence, and so as a result, our shoulders are rounded over, and as a result, our head's down, and we're in a position like this, okay? Especially when we have to take off our shirt, we're all like, oh God. And we might be trying to do these ones to hide it, but sometimes you let that go. And also, you probably have poor posture because you have tight pecs, which is associated with the condition. And also, modern sedentary life, people are generally like this now because they sit at a desk, they drive, they're always rounded over. And so this position here makes your pectus look so much worse. Watch this. Look at that difference. Crazy, right? That's all opening up my shoulders back, pulling my shoulders back, opening up my chest, okay? Immediately you can fix that. So when you go to the pool, when you're at a swimming carnival or something next time, think about that. Think about, okay, let's open my posture up and walk around like this. Be proud. I know you're very self-conscious of your condition. I was like this too. And so you result to being like this. People don't notice me, but that's gonna make people notice you more. If you're just proud, you're just normal. Now I'm not meaning like be like this. I'm just be normal. Just, you know, shoulders back, a normal good posture, okay? And then you can also think just a slight flex on your ribs, which will help you hold your ribs down, and it will help make the indent look less noticeable as well, okay? So that's just an immediate fix, immediate thing you can do. Now, what you want to do beyond just being very acutely thinking about that when you have to take off your shirt, you also want to just actually be in that natural position anyway. And so how we do that is we actually strengthen our back, we stretch our chest, okay? You know, simple chest stretches, something just as simple as a wall chest stretch like this. I got up, core engaged, ribs down. I'm really feeling that loosening up my pec. So that's an example of a very simple chest stretch you can do and should be doing to loosen up the chest. You also want to strengthen your back, you know, something like a row, okay? A row. Strengthening the back. That's going to help you be in that position better as well. You also want to strengthen your abs and your obliques, okay? When they're developed, it makes the rib flare, all that look less noticeable too. And obviously develop your pecs, you know. So you want to change your body to be in a position where you don't have to so actively think about posture, but it's actually something that's just natural for you, okay? And so I do have some client spots available, fixpectus.com. You can go to there, apply to become a client of mine so I can help you completely transform your body and your life. But this video is just a video for an instant result, things to think about when you have to go to the beach, because I understand the scenario is like a swimming carnival for me, where when I was a kid, I knew I had to take off my shirt and it was terrifying. You could do this, it'll make it a lot better. And then you start implementing, you sign up to my coaching, and in a year's time, you'll look awesome, you'll be confident in your body, and then it won't be a worry at all. But this is an instant fix for if you're in the solution, if you're in the problem where tomorrow you got to go take off your shirt and you haven't had the time to develop your body with the program. You know, it takes time to develop your body to such an extent where you're confident in your body. So it's an instant fix to make that look a lot better and help you feel more confident in yourself. So I hope this video was helpful, guys. Give it a thumbs up if it was. Make sure you're subscribed if you're not, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.